Many of you posted videos like this on Facebook showing your neighbor's shingles flapping in the Texas wind Tuesday. I talked to the owner of Fisher & Sons Roofing, who says he's received a lot of calls already.
The decking was damaged in some of these, and a lot of these they were just stripped of shingles.
But beware, this is something you hear every time a storm hits. But Fisher reminds you to watch out for scammers.
There's a lot of roofers out there that are fly-by-night. I would recommend asking for proof of bonding.
He's heard horror stories of families who have been duped by scammers.
I've seen way too many times where a person would get the first check and sign that check over from the insurance and never see the roofer again.
So what do you do if you think you have roof damage? Contact a roofer who will come out and take pictures of your damage and give you an estimate. And call your insurance company.
Make sure to call the insurance, the 800 number for claims, and use the March 4 storm date. They always want to know the date of the loss.